It was a time when the world chose sides, when nations banded together. We fought together, died together. After the war, most of us went home. We were the ones who stayed. We were Americans, and we were buried in foreign soil. We're forever a part of this land, forever connecting America to these countries and places most of us had never been to. Normandy, Tunisia, England. You can see the graves, visit the battlefields. You can tour Auschwitz. We flew over the beaches, over the cities, over the deserts, beyond seas and borders, and across generations. From World War II through the Cold War and right up to today, one part of our mission in Europe and Africa has never changed: freedom. We are in Europe and Africa to keep war away from our shores, but our vision has evolved. Freedom means trust, training, and teamwork with our NATO allies and partners. We are compatriots of cause, if not of country. The world is a complicated place. We are peacekeepers and warriors, liberators and deterrents. Strength and compassion live beside conflicts and alliances. A lot of airmen today request Europe. The culture, the experience, places you're excited to see. You can't deny it. But we're here for something more. We come to these countries for our country, to work by, with, and through our host nations, our allies, our partners, 24/7 across 2 continents, ready to deploy, ready to do whatever is required. One day it's policing the Baltic skies. The next, it's deploying medical training teams to Senegal. Do we get homesick? Only every day. When we're stateside and we go off base, we represent the Air Force, the DoD. Over here, we represent America. This is an honor for us. You don't fight because you hate what's in front of you. You fight because you love what's behind you. Back home on the news, our families hear Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram, and they worry. They hear things about regimes, coups, and civil wars. And we tell them that's why we're here. We see the world up close, ugly, brutal, beautiful, and kind. We see history and possibility. And we know that common ground leads to higher ground. It's not our job to figure out America's place in the world. We just know our place is here, ready for war, forging bonds, connected to these lands and these people, these countries that most of us have never been to. Over the beaches, over the cities, over the deserts, beyond seas and borders, and across generations. We secure our sovereign skies. We carry on the legacy. We carry on the mission. And we serve on foreign soil. Aim high, Airman.